girlies, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why your skincare is not giving you the results you want? The answer might be hidden in the mistakes you are making without realizing it. Today, we are breaking down the most common skincare mistakes that could be holding you back from achieving that flawless skin. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Skipping sunscreen. UV rays can damage your skin, even in indoors. Always wear a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher daily. Mistake number 2. Popping pimples. Popping pimples can lead to scarring, inflammation, and even more breakouts. Instead, use a spot treatment with ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil and let it heal naturally. Mistake number 3. Over-exfoliating your skin. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, leaving it dry, red, and irritated. Limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week and choose gentle exfoliants that suit your skin type. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Mistake number 4. Touching your face too much. Constantly touching your face can transfer dirt and bacteria from your hands, causing breakouts. Be mindful of keeping your hands away from your face as much as possible. Mistake number 5. Sleeping with makeup on. Never sleep with makeup on. It clogs your pores, causes breakouts, and prevents your skin from repairing itself overnight. Always double cleanse to remove all traces of makeup. Mistake number 6. Not staying hydrated. Hydration isn't just about moisturizers, it starts from within. Drinking enough water is key to keeping your skin plump, clear, and healthy. Make hydration a priority. Mistake number 7. Not having a balanced diet. What you eat shows up on your skin. A diet high in processed foods and low in nutrients can lead to dullness and breakouts. Focus on eating fruits, veggies, and healthy fats to nourish your skin from the inside out. Mistake number 8. Not changing pillowcases. Pillowcases collect oils, sweat, and bacteria, which can lead to breakouts. Change your pillow covers at least once a week to keep your skin clean and healthy. Mistake number 9. Ignoring moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, skipping moisturizer can cause more harm than good. Your skin needs hydration to stay balanced, so choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula that suits your skin type. Mistake number 10. Impatience with skincare. Skincare requires patience. Constantly switching products out of frustration won't help and can irritate your skin. Stick to a routine for at least a few weeks before deciding if it works for you. And that's it for today, guys. I hope I helped you. Please subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram for more such videos.